Introduction to Passages on the Pure Land Way. For the reader venturing for the first time into the unfamiliar terrain of Shinran's many and varied writings, Passages on the Pure Land Way shines forth like a polished gem. In content and expression, it closely resembles Shinran's major work, Teaching, Practice, and Realization, though only a fraction of its length, and for this reason has been overshadowed by it throughout the history of Shin Buddhist studies. Nevertheless, as a compendium of Shinran's teaching, Passages on the Pure Land Way is unsurpassed in the lucidity of its outline. Its importance differs markedly from that of many of the writings in Japanese, such as the letters and commentaries. Were we deprived of any of these works, loosely organized though they are, our knowledge of the depth and the ramifications of Shinran's thought as it developed late in his life would be seriously diminished in precision. This cannot be said of Passages on the Pure Land Way, almost every phrase of which can be found, in a sense and often verbatim, embedded in Teaching, Practice, and Realization. Among Shinran's works, however, only Passages on the Pure Land Way and possibly the 3 volumes of hymns or Sanjo-wasan are comparable in scope to Teaching, Practice, and Realization. Moreover, Passages on the Pure Land Way is far more systematic as a presentation of Shinran's thought than the hymns, and though its dozen pages of Chinese text in print can hardly hold the fullness of Teaching, Practice, and Realization, it has the advantage of being so tightly and economically structured as to render the basic contours of Shinran's teaching visible at a glance. Passages on the Pure Land Way may be roughly divided into 3 sections: exposition, hymn, and mondo, or discussion in question and answer form.